There are no right answers. There's no wrong answers either, though. Stick around. We're going to talk about this today. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dan from MillennialMotivator.ca, helping you learn how to create, engage, and inspire. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there. We put out videos here Monday through Saturday, helping you learn how to grow your business online. Today, what we are talking about is answers. You've got businesses that have problems, and everybody's out there looking for the answer. And I wanted to address this a little bit because I make a point during my day to take the time to answer questions that people have on any of the social forums that I post my stuff on, whether that's the podcast, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, out there. Quora especially, seeing as it's built exactly for questions, is one I often end up hitting on. Now, with Quora, I see a question come up all the time. Is this right? Is this right? Am I doing it wrong? Am I doing it right? And I really have to clarify, guys, as an entrepreneur, there is no right or wrong answer, okay? Now, obviously, this is going to need a bit of a qualification, and then I'm going to have to flesh it out a little bit for you. So stick around if you're somebody that's struggling to find the right answer or the wrong answer. I want to help you out here. All right, guys. So I've given you a bit of the premise on this, where people are out there constantly asking, am I doing it right or am I doing it wrong? Okay. Now, when I say there's no right or wrong answers, I'm not saying there's not good answers and bad answers. Okay. I just want to get that out of the way. It's the big disclaimer. The red flag goes up. Everybody goes, whoa, whoa, whoa. Clearly there's bad answers. Yeah, I agree. There are bad answers out there, but they're not necessarily wrong, okay? And what I mean by that is this. I think back to when I started as an entrepreneur, okay? I just quit cold turkey, quit my job, went off, decided, okay, I'm going to do this entrepreneur thing, started, bam, off and running. I struggled for years to create a sustainable income for my family and provide. Was that the right answer? Did I do it the right way? Should I have done a side hustle that grew until it was sustainable and then I could provide for my family? Maybe. But a lot of people were telling me that's the wrong answer. That's the wrong way to do it. I can assure you of this. Had I done it the other way, I would be in a job today. I wouldn't be where I am. I wouldn't be who I am today had I done it the other way around. Had I done it a safer way. It's just the way it works for me. Now, that being said, was the route that I went the wrong answer? I'm going to say clearly no. Was it the right answer? I can't really say that either. I can say it was an alright answer. It worked out in the end. Could I have done it faster, better, another way? Maybe. So possibly there's a better answer out there. Could I do it worse? Probably. I could probably fall flat on my face and be broke, right? But the reality is this, guys. Oftentimes we allow other people out there to put on us right or wrong. And you got to stop. There's no right, there's no wrong. That black and white in business isn't going to be there. You need to do a couple of things to decide where you fit, good or bad, and get rid of that right or wrong mentality, okay? So here's how we're going to do it. You ready? Get your Post-its, get your journal. I got mine. There it is. There's the journal. Make sure you got them handy. Let's go. Okay, first thing that you guys need to do, get rid of right and wrong answers, is this. Make sure you are asking a question that is relevant to you. And that question should be, what is my goal? Now, this is age old. We go over this over and over again. Right here. This guy back here. Think and Grow Rich, okay? Napoleon Hill. This has been around forever. Thousands and thousands, if not millions of entrepreneurs vouch for that book and the process of what's your goal? What's your thing that you're aiming for? What do you want to succeed? I promise you this, there's nobody out there that's got your goal. You know why? It's yours. Nobody has the same circumstances, your personality, your skills, your traits. You're a unique individual with a unique vision that wants to go in a direction. People can have similar goals that they achieve in many different ways, but your goal is your own. So nobody can really say to you, that's right, that's wrong. It's your goal. It's up to you. Let other people chime in where they want, but brush it off. Keep moving forward. Define for yourself what's your goal. That's the first major thing you've got to grab a hold of and hold on to. A lot of criticism, especially as a new or young entrepreneur, is going to come your way, and it's going to be based in other people think they know. They don't know. You are you. Set your goal. Get your eyes fixed on it. Don't take your eyes off of it. Don't let anybody who tells you, oh yeah, that's right, or oh yeah, that's wrong, get in your way. Get rid of the right and wrong and instead focus on the objective. Where do I want to go? Forget whether it's right or wrong. That doesn't matter. What matters is that's where you want to go. Set it down, lock it in place, keep it firm and fixed on your eyes, and it's going to serve you a long way. Okay, you've got your goal in mind. What's next? You got the goal. You got your blinders on. You're not looking at what everybody else has to say right or wrong. Awesome. Next step, plot it out. Plot the journey. How are you going to get to that goal? What are you going to do? What are the actions you're going to take? And I'm not saying don't look at how other people have done that. Don't take the advice of how other people have done that. That's why I've got all these books. That's why I read stories of people that have gone before me that have had success in similar endeavors and similar goals. Their goals aren't the same, and I'm not them and they aren't me. But I can learn from their processes. I can learn from their mistakes. And that is so crucial and vital if you want to succeed. But again, how they did it may not be right for you. How they did it may not be great for you. How they did it may be great for you. The reality is this: you have to decide in the same way that you decide what your goal is, the process that you're going to take, what you're willing to sacrifice to get there. So, for example, you guys can see I'm rocking my Under Armours. I made a decision in the next month that I really want to get my physical health back in line. Business is doing well. YouTube is doing amazing. You guys rock. I thank you so much for being a part of this channel. The community here has just been blowing me away. It's making this really easy. I've got 3 or 4 speaking gigs because of this YouTube channel in the next couple of months, which is one of my goals for the year. I only wanted to hit 1 or 2 speaking engagements. Instead, I've got 4 in the next 2 months. Like, this is, it's just this monumental thing that's happening. But the one thing that I've been sacrificing in order to make all this happen and manage my family and my wife and all this great stuff is my health. And I want to get that under control. Now, there has got to be a million different ways out there for me to go, okay, well, I want to have, you know, I want to get rid of the dad bod and be able to go to the beach and not be ashamed to take my shirt off kind of thing, right? Simple goal for many. For me, not so much. With me working 14-hour days, it doesn't leave a ton of time to get healthy. So, there are a million different ways out there. You got to eat this and do this and wake up then and have a cold shower here and make sure you're not eating this, but eat more of this. But wait, this guy over here with this diet says this diet's wrong. What are you going to do? The reality is I have to make a decision. I have to plot out my own roadmap and make a goal. Bam, this is where I want to be. Great. Now, I choose which steps I want to apply to get there. Are they all going to be right? No. Are they all going to be wrong? No. Are they all going to be good? Yes. As long as they get me to where the goal is, that's enough for me. That's how I define good. I put the value on the process and on the goal. Nobody else can. It's only on me. I make that decision. What's the value of this process? Is it good? Yes. In my mind, and it's just like this YouTube channel, guys, I have a resolution for this channel. I want to see it grow. I do. But my goal is to help one entrepreneur and to go visit the YouTube spaces in Toronto, so that means 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's my goal. That's where I want to head. That's where I want to go. Whatever I choose to get me there along the way, I don't care if that happens today, tomorrow, December 31st, I hit that 10,000 sub mark. I don't care. What I care about is, did I get there? That will be good or that will be bad. Other people telling me, oh, well, you know, other people grow faster than that, or, oh, you're growing really fast, that's great, you'll make it for sure. None of that plays in. I don't hear it. It doesn't matter whether it's positive encouragement or negative criticism. I don't let it change the fact. I've set a goal and I've set my process to get there. I encourage you to do the same. It's not right. It's not wrong. It's up to you to decide what the value is in your goal and the process you're going to use to get there. Hopefully this helps, guys. I'm not trying to muddy the waters. I'm trying to keep it simple for you. Get rid of the critics. There's tons out there. There's people that want to help. There's people that want to drag you down. Ultimately, though, you are the one accountable for your decisions. You are the one accountable for the goals that you set in your life. You've got to do it. There is no right or wrong. There's only your decisions to get where you're going. Capiche? Capiche. Now, for those of you that are fans of the channel, you like to show up for the live reviews that I do, we're going to be going live tomorrow at 12:30. I am at a live event locally that I have to attend. I'm going to do a vlog from there for Monday. But the reality is, I'm going to be a little bit later on the live review. Now, if you want to be a part of that live review, go ahead and leave your website, social media channel, or YouTube channel down below for me to check out tomorrow. I'm going to be going through all the messages from the week to see who wants me to review their channel. I think I have 2 already. So if you want to have your channel reviewed tomorrow live, leave it down in the comments below. That'll be the question of the day. What do you want me to review tomorrow? Website, social media, YouTube channel. Now, if I don't get at least 3 to review, as I've promised in the past, guys, I will take the time to go and review somebody major. I will review a major website like Nike or Tesla. I will make a point to go and review somebody that's killing it so we can do the same thing, pick it apart, take a look at it, criticize it, critique it, give it a bit of a boost, and go, how would we improve on this? How would we take away from this? There's nobody out there that's got it perfect, guys. If you go back to the video I did on deconstructing Gary Vee's site, even with him, I was able to deconstruct it a little bit. This is awesome, this is not. This needs to be updated, this needs to be fixed. So, all I'm giving you is this, guys, question of the day. Do you have a website, social network, or YouTube channel that you would like me to review tomorrow, 12:30? I won't tell you what's right or wrong, but I'll try to help you figure out what's good and bad and how you can change your goal or your targets, your process, to make your site improve and reach your goal in a better, more efficient way. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button, share it out to friends, family, and anybody that you know that's struggling with right, wrong, and all the critics. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow, guys.